Hi guys, I'm Himika and today we are going to do a fun challenge with Sentira. So we have 6 perfume lined up here in front of me, but I have no idea what the challenge is.
So basically, this is a perfume memory challenge where you have to sniff all of these perfumes. We're going to make you smell them, and then we'll take all of these bottles away and you'll just have the strips. So then you'll smell and guess which perfume is which one.
Okay.
So we're going to test your memory.
Okay, I'm all up. The very first perfume I have in my hand, and that is Gabrielle by Chanel. So I'm gonna spray it on this test paper and let's see how well I can memorize it. Okay, let's start. The fragrance is really nice. It's really cool, bit spicy. Okay, I hope so. I'll remember it. Okay, the next perfume we have is Paradox by Prada. So I'm gonna again spray it and let's see. Smell is really nice. Okay, so it got a minty flavor. I'll probably wear this in a day with probably on a brunch date. It got minty thing and it's really nice. Like it can give you a cool vibe. Okay, the next one we have is Vanilla Diorama by Christian Dior. The bottle is really nice. So I'm someone who really likes the packaging. If I like the packaging of something, I'll pick it despite the price and the color or the product quality. So I'm really liking the bottle. Let's see how it smells. Okay, so it has I would not like to say that it has a Vicks touch, but it's intense and it's dark, dark desire. That's the words that I can probably come up with when I spray it and try my level best to memorize the fragrance. This is the best perfume that anyone can wear during date nights. It's nice. It's really nice. Okay, the next up we have, it's a Diptyque perfume, 34, 34 by Diptyque. Let's try it. Okay, I can obviously guess it. It has a lot of flowery scent. So it takes you directly into the garden. Full of flowers, full of fragrance. So someone who likes really flowers and all, this one is for you guys. I don't like this much, but because I'm not into flowery scents. But yeah, if you want to feel fresh, you want to feel flowery, then definitely this one is for you. Okay, I hope I'll remember. Okay, so this one is so beautiful. I can see it. I would like to eat it. It looks like a cake. Yum. Okay, so this is Lady Million by Paco Rabanne. Yeah, I think I'm saying it right. Yeah, I am. Okay, let's spray it and try to memorize as much as I can. This one is a little confusing because I can't really guess the kind of fragrance it has. It's flowery, but it's not exactly flowers and all. It's like you put on a flowery accent, but it's not exactly flowers and all. It's a decent one that you can wear on a work day, basically. Everyday use, basically. So yeah. And we have finally the last one. I hope I remember all the perfumes that I've tried so far. So this one we have by YSL. So let's try. Okay, so I don't want to categorize it as men and women category, but it looks like a nice one to give to your boyfriend or, maybe your husband. The packaging is like this and I'm really liking the packaging. So before I drop, I'm a clumsy one. Let me just spray it and try to memorize it. Okay, by this time, I'm totally confused, but I don't want to be confused because this is a fun challenge and I want to win it. No, it cannot be a flowery accent. Maybe, my senses are gone by this time, but it should not be gone since it's a challenge and I'm trying my level best. Okay, it got a masculine energy. I should not again categorize it, but yes, it's perfect for men wear, boys. Yeah, so probably one for guys. You can gift it to your boyfriend, to your guy friends. So yeah, and I cannot really guess, the fragrance or what could be the ingredients. So yes, hopefully I should remember. That's it about it. Let's see whether I remember or not. Okay, so we are officially entering the second round of this fun challenge. So someone will gonna give me the strip and I'm gonna guess it. Let's see. So here it is. This is challenging. Okay, I do remember because it got that little Vicks thing. So if you know that I said it in the video that, a perfume that has a Vicks touch, but I would not like to say it has a Vicks touch. So this is that as far as I remember. And it's in rose gold. I think the packaging has to be rose gold. Guys, help me. Now there are two ones which are in rose gold packaging. I don't know which one is what. Yeah, but it got that Vicks thing. Okay, so with the little help of the team, I'm able to guess it. And that is Prada Paradox. I hope it is correct. I don't know rest of it. Okay, so second, here it is. I have to hold on and test my brain. Oh God. Okay. This is the perfume which I said like it has flowers touch. Like it got that flowery touch. Like जिसमें directly, flowery touch है. It has to be like the one that and takes you in the garden. Yeah, the one that takes you into the garden is this one. I don't know rest of it. So I will try my level best. Okay, so this is a Diptyque 34. I hope so. Yeah, I'm excited because it's third. The strip is in front of me now. I have to smell it. It's confusing, man. It's really confusing. See, it's a challenge. Like, it's tough than solving an equation, like mathematical equation. I tell you guys, I kid you not. Okay, this is again that takes you into garden, but not exactly garden. I think they're doing a cheating with me. They are sure. I'm sure. It has to be the rose gold packaging, probably not the Prada one, the other one. So my final guess is Lady Million by Paco Rabanne. I hope so. It's correct, and it has to be another one. I'm liking the challenge for sure. So it's like rose gold fragrance, which I never said it in the video in the first round, but for some reason I can guess or I can think of these words. It got that rose gold touch. Oh my God. It has to be the very first perfume that I tried and tested. Like I probably sprayed. It's Chanel one, I guess. So yeah, I hope so. Can't say. The second last strip that I have in my hand. I think I'm going to be right. This is the one that I said that's best for for guy friends. Like you can gift it to your boyfriends or husbands probably. So I think I am on the right track. Okay, so the name of this perfume is Y by YSL. So yeah, it has to be correct. The last one. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, this is sheer cheating they are doing with me. I know they're not, but has to be a dark smell, but ये वो नहीं है जितना मुझे लग रहा है. But okay, so after sniffing it for quite a few times, I feel like the perfume that I haven't named it, and that's the only one left, which doesn't feel like that should be Vanilla Diorama by Christian Dior. So since I have not named it, I hope so it has to be this one. But it doesn't seem like, so yeah, I'm going with that Vanilla Diorama by Christian Dior. I hope so it's correct.
So, Emeka, you got 3 right and 3 wrong. I'm going to tell you the ones that you got right.
Okay.
The first one was Lady Million by Paco Rabanne. You got that one right. Then you also got Gabrielle by Chanel right. And the last one that you got right was Y by YSL.
Yeah.
So 3 very distinct fragrances that you got right. Now we are going to just do a last round with you, where you have to arrange the fragrances in the order that you sniffed them. So let's just get on with it.
Okay, so the third round of this fun challenge, and that is I have to arrange them in the order in which, I sprayed. So let's begin. Okay. It's all my brain, and Himika left with arrangement. The very first perfume that I tried. The very first. This has to be last. Prada. I can't say it because I think this is the first. Okay, guys. Okay, don't challenge me. I love challenges. So this is this is the first one. Yeah, Gabrielle by Chanel. How can I forget it? Yeah, this is the first one. Quick memory, but yeah, it's a correct one. Gabrielle by Chanel. Because I said it has to be this, guys. Okay. I'm going to win it. I'm going to win it for sure. This is the second. It's tough than maths for sure. Okay, let's take a little risk and keep it here. Yeah, now you're confusing me, right? See, this one can be here and I can swap it. Okay, this is the final arrangement that I've done based on my memory. That's it.
Okay, so the first and the last perfume are correct. Rest, you've totally jumbled them. The order had to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've done it 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 6.
Okay.
So the middle ones are totally jumbled. So yeah.
Is this correct now?
No. So the first one is...
Then that one, oh my God, I should go with my instincts. I could have gone with my instincts,
yeah,
right?
And
Shit.
And Diptyque is the fourth one. And the Dior one is the third one. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, this is the third perfume.
Third.
Yes, Diptyque is fourth. This is the correct order.
Oh shit! If I would have done this, I was way too close. No, I wasn't close, but yes, if I would have gone with my instincts, I would have aced it. Okay, guys, so this is all about the challenge. I really loved, doing this fun challenge with Sentira, and I got to, challenge my olfactory senses, and I really loved doing it. So, in case you want to buy any of these perfumes, all you have to do is hop on to Sentira.in and buy the decants, or you can buy the full bottles as well. And guys, if you liked watching the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.